So we are going to solve this reverse sort problem. The pseudo code is already given for reverse sort, which is we are going to run the loop from I to length L minus 1, and then we are going to assign position j, which is the minimum value between I and L, and then reverse the list from I to j. We are going to look at test case 4213 now. So let's take this test case of 4213. We are going to perform iteration from I equals 0 till length of L minus 1. Here we're going to find the minimum position of the minimum value, which is found to be value is 1 and the position is 3. Now we are going to assign L sub, which is a new list for sub array from position 0 to 3. It's going to be 4 to 1. Then we are going to reverse the order of 4 to 1 is going to be 1 to 4, and the cost is 3, which is the length of L sub. Now we're going to assign the elements of L sub to that of L from position 0 to 3. So it's going to be 1 to 4, 3. Now with the updated list, we're going to continue the iteration from I equals 1. We're going to find the minimum value, which is 2, which is at position 1 here. And then we are going to assign the sublist from I1 to 1, which is only single element 2, and its reverse also going to be the same. So the cost is going to be 1, which is because having a single element. And then we perform some operation of assigning L sub to the L, which is going to be same. Next, continuing the iteration with I equals 2, the minimum value is found at 3 and position 3. So we are going to assign the sublist from I equals 2 to 3, which is 4, 3, and the reverse order is going to be 3, 4. The cost is going to be 2, which is the length of subarray, and the assigned list is going to be now completely sorted. Let's check the algorithm. This is going to take the test cases, and this is going to take the size of the input array or input list. So since it's going to be strings, we are going to split with delimiter space, and then we are going to coerce it in each element into integers, and then we are going to append them to the list. So starting our iteration is the main algorithm. At position I equals 0, we are going to assign or initialize sublist, an empty list into L sub. Then we are going to find the minimum position, which is going to be 2. Here it's 2. Then we are going to assign these elements from 4 to 1 to L sub. Then we're going to reverse it. The cost is 3. Now for I equals 1, we're going to perform the same operation. The position of minimum value is going to be found at 2, and the sub array or sublist is going to be 2, and the cost is 1, since it's only one element in the L sub. For I equals 2, the minimum value is 3, which is found at position 3. The L sub is going to be 4, 3, and the reverse is going to be 3, 4. Since the length is 2, the cost is going to be 2, which is going to be added to the total cost, which gives us 6. And this is a solution to the reverse sort problem.